On this video, we are taking the Polo GTI on its third visit to Dullstroom, and it would be very wrong if we didn't invite or we didn't come with the mayor of Dullstroom, Mr. How Much himself. So he'll be driving the V-Class and we'll be staying together in one of the houses. But I do, however, want to show you a very special house in the estate as well. So stay tuned. We got here a bit late, but yeah, this is the upstairs here. These rooms are identical, but I'll just show you our bedroom here. Obviously, there's the shower. Very simple bathtub, yet nice. And no smart mirrors this case, but yeah, the bathroom and this is the bedroom. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but it's massive, man. It's so huge. Like, it's so big. But yeah, this is where we'll be sleeping tonight. Is there any no outside view at this point, but yeah, this is where we'll be. I'll take more shots tomorrow. Obviously, it's a bit dark. Can't really get much at this time of the day, but yeah, we'll see where to take this vlog. What's up, guys? Welcome back to beautiful Dullstroom. Today we are at this gorgeous house here, set next to a beautiful golf course and in a bit of a hill. And yeah, so today I'm going to take you through this house, and I want to show you why it's one of my favorite houses here at Highland Gate Estate. I think this is one of the best estates in Mpumalanga, or even the country, because of just like how much landscape and like how different and how how much range it has, because there's like flat areas, there's like hills. It's really nice. So yeah, this is the front part of the house. We're parked here and I'm gonna take you through it. So from the front here, it looks like a very British house, like an English. I don't know how you understand that part, but yeah, it looks like something that you don't usually see here in the country. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you through the house. This is the main door, and I'm gonna discover with you guys, because this is not quite the house that we went to or we arrived at yesterday. This is a different house. So it's a bit later in the day, and we're doing the house tour now, or rather I'm about to show you a bit about this house. It's a 5-bedroom house. and each room can house 2 people, I guess. So maybe about 10 people can stay here. This is the powder room. You have the 2 identical rooms this side. All of these rooms have the view of the golf course and also the pool. So I'm just gonna run quickly from this one to this one here because they're about the same. Oh, okay. So this one here is more like a master bedroom, right? There's like 2 of this in the house. So this has a shower and it has a bathtub. And obviously your twin setup here for you and your partner. And it also has a walk-in closet, which is quite cool. But I don't know, I never really find the use of this, especially if you're coming here for 2 days. I don't think you'd have enough luggage to fit all these. But anyway, it's still cool. And I'm gonna show you the pool a bit later. So yeah, this is your welcome area, or like the view that you are met with as you enter the house. Obviously have your few books here, and yes, I'm having coffee. Well, some may say I'm addicted, but I don't think so. But anyway, you have your smeg stuff here in the kitchen, which is actually quite nice. This is an open kitchen and have all the necessities that you might need on your vacation or holiday stay. So this is the whole view here. You actually get 2 fridges. I don't know why, but you do, I guess, to store more things. And it has the same open roof or open plan. I forgot what they call it for the which is the same one that we saw in Hoedspruit. So yeah, that side you have the scullery and you have the garage all the way there. Going back outside, I want to show you the other main bedroom in this house. Very nice, man. So nice. So this is like 10 guys, 10 people, or 5 partners, you know, just want to go out, have a nice getaway. Or if you're into golf, because this is a golf estate and there's a lot of golf tournaments that happen here. So yeah, this is the area. You have another bedroom here. Actually it connects through here. Very nice. And you have your other bedroom. This is for like 2 people, you know, kids maybe, or like just get more space in there. So this is the same as the other one that I showed you there. Has a bathtub and you also have a shower. But this one has a single what are they called? Is it a basin? I don't know. But yeah, that's like the quick overall view of the house. This being the open space as well. Yeah, I'm gonna take you and show you where you probably spend most of your time at since as a vacation home. Obviously here you have your fire area, which is quite interesting because it's right in the middle of the house, or in the middle of this lounge area with nice brown leathers, which is giving up some sort of a woody theme with all the brown going on here. So yeah, I'm gonna take you to the other side, but we'll go this way because there's another lounge area with a couch, which seems a bit more comfortable, another TV, and this is more like your outside area, but still inside. Forgot what they call this place, but like, yeah, all these doors here, all this place, windows, they open up fully, and you can have that open design. Probably very nice in summer, because that's winter and it is a bit cold, man, I won't lie. But yeah, and Dullstroom has their own weather. Here it's like you can get multiple climates in a day. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you the pool outside, which is lit, but it's not heated, but still lit. Okay, I'm gonna quickly open up here And yeah, this is the beautiful, beautiful pool. I'll show you a clip of how it looks during the day, but I'm sure you've seen it. And this is so cool, man. And all there is just like darkness and probably a house there, and like here's a golf course. It's not that scary if you've seen it during the day, but now, if someone just spawned me here, I'd be worried, man. I'd be like, hey, where are we? But if you look that side, there's like more houses with the lights. But the pool is very nice. It's an infinity pool. What kind of creates that illusion during the day, or looks like that. But overall, I'll give this house 8 out of 10. I think it's a very good stay, very good value for money. You're like, oh no, where's the other two? What is it? It's a bit, I don't know what to call it, but yeah, could be a bit more, what do you call it? I don't know, but yeah, like things like air conditioning, stuff like that. But yeah, maybe a 9. Okay, maybe a 9. But you have 3 TVs so far that I've seen. This is where you're gonna play your music while cooking, while brine, and yeah, it will be a vibe, man. But yeah, this is the house, and this is our quick stay. We're actually not staying in this house. I'll show you the house we're staying in, which is in the same estate here at the Highland Gate estate, where Mr. How Much and the rest of the guys are. So we just came by to quickly show you this, and yeah, very, very nice house. And just like that, we are gonna head out. We're gonna head out to the other house. But yeah, man, I'll put more details on this description below, and you can check it out if you're interested. But would really, really vouch for this house. That's really nice. But yeah, we're all for honest opinions here. No clickbaiting, no like fake impressions. But yeah, so you're experiencing the house as I experienced it, because we only came here in the afternoon and came back in the evening to finish filming. But yeah, just like that, we are out.
Come to the top of the car. Don't know about the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. How can you stay for the wall? Chase out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot in Treasure Street. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through that, sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms rep a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass bro. Break yourself, you was right on the dance floor. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this fool.